Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get formatted data back in Android. We'll dive into the essential process of handling data within your applications, ensuring it's structured and ready for use. Whether you're fetching information from a server or reading local files, understanding data formatting is crucial. We'll cover the journey from raw bytes to usable objects, making your app more robust and efficient. This foundational knowledge is key for any Android developer. When working with Android, you'll frequently encounter several common data formats. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is incredibly popular due to its human-readable structure and efficiency. XML, or Extensible Markup Language, is another robust option, often used for more complex hierarchical data. For high-performance scenarios, protocol buffers from Google offer a compact and fast way to serialize structured data, significantly reducing payload size and parsing time. Once you receive formatted data, the next step is parsing it into usable objects. For JSON, libraries like JSON and Moshi simplify this process, automatically mapping JSON structures to Kotlin or Java objects with just a few lines of code. For XML, you might use SAX or DOM parsers, or more modern solutions like Ktor's XML converter. Protocol buffers leverage code generation, providing highly optimized classes to deserialize your data quickly and safely. After successfully parsing your data, the final step is to display it within your Android application's user interface. For single pieces of information, simple text views or image views work perfectly. When dealing with collections of data, a recycler view is the go-to component, efficiently handling lists with potentially thousands of items. Consider using data binding or view binding to seamlessly connect your parsed data objects directly to your UI elements, reducing boilerplate code and improving readability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.